What's up, YouTube? This is 3MC Rapcon coming at you with another video today, and we're gonna count down the top 10 video games for the PlayStation 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, on this list, we're gonna be going for the accuracy from the first ever PlayStation to the PlayStation 4. Let's begin. Number 10. This game was back in the old days of the first PlayStation. Is called Hexen, and I know most of you probably won't recognize that game today, but Hexen was an old game that I used to play on the ps1. It's where you choose there was three types of fighters you can choose from: the hero, the magician, and the heretic. Now, I always choose the hero because the hero had more hitting power than the rest of them. It's Hexen is a game where it's an old pixelated RPG game. Number 9, the Turok series. Turok is another game from PlayStation 1. And Turok is a kind of game where you fight dinosaurs. It's kind of like a dinosaurs game where you go around taking down dinosaurs and other animals and taking down bosses and stuff. Number 8. This is a PS2 game, and I think you'll find a couple other games on the PS3, PS4, and the Xbox consoles. Call of Duty Finest Hour. Now, Call of Duty Finest Hour was the first Call of Duty game I played. It was actually the first Call of Duty game I played, and I like the graphics on it, and the characters are well made, and I like how it's just a clay animation type video game. Number 8. Number 7. I think we're on number 8. Number 8 is is a PlayStation 2 game, Medal of Arms Glitchiness System. Now, this was another game I loved playing when I was a kid, and it was kind of a hard game for me to play because I always get stuck on level 9 of the game because I couldn't figure out how to destroy the Junk King. Number 7. Now we're going on to number 7. This is also a PS2 game, and the second to this game will be on the further of the list. Star Wars Battlefront 1. Now, Star Wars Battlefront is a game where you can choose on instant action, where you can customize, make your very own missions, and there's also a campaign to where you can play out through the series. And the instant action, like I said, is where you can choose what armies you want to play as, and it gives you a selection of troop units. And there's this little section I love to do on both the games, where I can set the troops up to 750 units. Alright. Number 6. Battalion Wars for PlayStation 2. Battalion Wars 2 was not a very good game, considering, and this is why I put it at the number 6 spot. Number 5. This is a PS3 game, Far Cry. The Far Cry series. The Far Cry series is where you play as a treasure hunter. And I think it's a treasure hunter you play as. I really can't remember. Anyway, number 4. Back to PS2 games again. Star Wars Battlefront 2. Now, Star Wars Battlefront 2 is the one I loved playing most about. I think Star Wars Battlefront 2 would be my favorite than the first one, because I just like number 2 better. It's just much more missions to do, and more instant action levels I could do on. Number 3. Call of Duty 2, the Big Red One. Another Call of Duty game on this list. Now, this one is going right after the first ever Call of Duty game. Now there's several Call of Duty games, but I think number 2 is another one of my favorite Call of Duty games to play. Number two, Assassin's Creed. The Assassin's Creed Syndicate is a game where you play as an assassin. There's several different ones, and I think my most favorite Assassin's Creed game uh, would have to be Black Flags. Black Flags would have to be my favorite. Number two. Alright, let's see. Number 2. Battalion Wars 2. Battalion Wars 2 was the second ever game ever came out with. And I think it's an awesome game. I think it's like a very awesome game to play, and it's much better than the first game. I can be honest about that. Number one. This is for the PS4. This is a PS3 game. Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Black Ops 2 is a game where it's another Call of Duty game, but this time the second one takes place in the near future. Over 2000 takes place in the near future than the first one. And I just think I like number 2 because the maps, like the town of zombies, I like doing with the Pack-a-Punch. And I just think it's a really cool game to play. So anyway, this is my top 10 list of the top 10 video games that I remember on the PlayStation 1 to 4. 3MC Rapcon coming out.